Hey guys, good morning. Ian here with this renovation. Back at the warehouse remodel. Getting our ramp, forklift ramp formed up. 12 feet by 40 feet in length. Jonathan, Julio, and Angel got the slab all cut out nice. Jonathan's getting the 1/2-inch rebar pins set up. Got everything tied in really nice. Half-inch rebar, Tapcon and our form bases down. Got the old ramp deck pulled out, all the edges ground off. Julio's building up the sides of the form. As you can see, the rebar ties. Before that was 4,000 PSI. Form each side. Pull out the inside ramp. Pour a full ramp on top. Slab rubber. And that'll have the ramp in place after we get this all filled. Let it dry on the weekend. Jonathan get that cut down. All the lift gate cut out, all the edges ground. Company's starting to get their stuff moved in. Guys are getting stuff cleaned up in here. Get you over here to the side. Got the master millwright Dean in here. Making sure everything's as it should be. Dean, say hi for YouTube. Friendliest guy on earth. All right, so we got our door put in yesterday. Everything welded in, joints all raked out, access door cut. Finished product on the outside. Once that concrete cures, we'll get the flashing put around the pipe. Got our bond joint with Sikaflex put in. Keeps cracks from forming. And that's it. So we're moving on. This afternoon we'll get this slab area cut out. Be ready to pour tomorrow. Call us, we can help you out with your industrial remodeling projects. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.